Hello, I just used Meister to create my presentation for the group. I thought it was a very interesting process, so let's learn more. So we are talking about Meister. You can find Meister at www.mindmeister.com. The cost of Meister. There are actually various plans that you could use for your account that you could use for your students. The first type is basic, which is free. You only get 3 mind maps. It's in real time and you get community support. The next level is education personal, which is $2.50 per user per month. You then get unlimited mind maps. You can attach files and images. You can export images as a PDF. You can print, and you get priority support if you're having trouble. Educational Professional is $4.13 per user per month. This gives you just a little bit more. It includes all of the features from the previous options, and it allows you to form teams. You have an administrative account. You can export the mind map to Word, PowerPoint, or another type of presentation. You get a G Suite for a domain. You can have different styles of maps, and they give you reports and stats about what is happening in the mind map website. Our next is the EduCampus, which is 99 cents per user per month, and you need to have at least 20 users to be able to use this function. This allows you to do group sharing, compliance exports, like you can backups of what you're doing. You get your own custom login. You can have multiple administrators, and you get 24/7 tech support, which I thought was really interesting. I think this would be best for an online class because of all of the different types of things that you can do with this. This is where you can do your group sharing and people can work on projects together and you can really brainstorm different ideas and topics. Some of the uses that I thought for my unit that I could use, if I were to assign an animal report for my students, they would be able to use a mind map to get ready for their paper that they may need to write, different topics and whatnot. They could use it for notes if we were talking about various topics and they wanted to do notes in the mind map form. Group projects, working together with others, especially in that education campus, that would be best where you can actually go in and work with others. And I would be able to use this to connect science topics to the unit of study. Have the broad idea at the top and then, or in the middle rather, and break it down into various subgroups. The first thing that came to my mind when I was looking at this was, wow, this would be great for our animals unit that we do at the beginning of the year, where we separate animals into their various groups, such as insects and fish and mammals and amphibians, and we would be able to separate them out and then do mini dropouts of types of those animals. I really think this would lend nicely to science and that general subject. In connecting it to table 5.3, I thought this would be very good for shared resources. It adds a visual list as well as doing some brainstorming to get down their ideas. It is a concept map, and they would be able to work with a group and talk to them. You could also use it with social learning and talking to them, talking to students, especially in that group function. Um, there is a discussion forum and a chat from what I can understand in this, and I thought that it was very interesting. So I will get out of the slideshow and show you what it looks like when you are creating the actual mind map. So it also allows you to do the slideshow. So that would help with like a presentation or a report that you could do with the students. It was very simple as you saw. It went into different areas. There are some buttons up here. This would add a new topic off of my Meister middle. It's still in presentation mode. Close that. If I would want to add something else to the Meister middle, I would just add that and have a test bubble. And if I wanted to add more to that, I could tab out and continue to type in my various ideas. And if I need it more, I go back to the original bubble and I continue to tab. And it makes different bubbles. And you can also connect things up here. It allows you to pull things away and make additional notes, maybe about what you want to say for a topic. So that is Meister. I thought it was really cool. And as I said, I think this would work well for a science curriculum. I could even see it working well in English or wherever you would use a brain map, mind map. So I thought it was really, really cool. So that's all about Meister. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.